On this episode, I'll be taking the winning guitar design, as voted for by you, and starting to build it. There are a lot of firsts with this design. I've never made a river paw guitar or an Iceman shape, as neither are typically my bag. Despite this, I think the design works very sympathetically with the stunning yew wood. As always, I'll be using a fairly basic setup and tools throughout. There really is no need for a fancy workshop complete with 1,000 tools to make beautiful guitars. So here I'm just making sure that I take out all of the bark, as if I don't, it will dry out and come away with the guitar along with whatever finish I put on it. Here I'm using a sort of Shosugi barn approach to where the bark once was. This should help stabilise the wood in this live edge, as well as adding back in that lovely bark-like quality that I really like. Time to pour the epoxy. Experimented here by pouring an initial shallow pour and some gold mica powder interspersed throughout. I then filled it to the top to add multiple layers of texture, shine and intrigue. Let's give this thing some shape. So the body now will just need some thorough sanding and finishing at a later date. Join me next time where I'll be handcrafting a perfectly paired neck.